आप सबको मेरा नमस्ते दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल चेरी ऑन द टॉप where I share my creativity. So let's get started.
So here I have a plastic container with me. It's a simple small like round shape container. You can use it in square, hexagon or any shape you want it. The next is I'm taking an acrylic color bottle. This is an empty bottle. I have cleaned it thoroughly with the hot water, and then I'll apply some hot glue on the bottom of the bottle. So here I'm applying it, just few seconds. I think it is almost done. Now I'll stick it on the container. So it would take another few seconds to get stick. Then I am going to again apply some hot glue on the mouth of the bottle, on the upper side of the bottle. Then I am again taking one acrylic bottle. I have removed the cap and I am sticking it on the acrylic bottle. So here I have sticked. Then here again I have this glass jar. I won't require a whole jar, I would just require a lid of it. So I'll take a lid and I'll apply some hot glue on the mouth of the bottle. And here I'll keep this lid on it and I'll just tap it for the proper stick. Also ensure that you do it gently, otherwise it may come off. So this is how it looks after we stick this together. I am just showing it to you from all the angles. Now it's time to paint the candle holder. So here I have taken a flat brush. You can probably use any normal brush, it won't matter. And I have this oil paint, black color oil paint with me. So I'm just going to dip my brush into the color and I will start coloring it. So actually I started it from the bottom and later I felt that I should actually start it from the upper side. So I started it from the upper sides. So I'm just coloring it. So now it's just time to cover the lid. So I'm coloring it, and also make sure you don't leave any spots, otherwise it's just going to look really bad. So this is how it looks after it is completely dry. I actually gave 2 coats. I gave first coat and I left it for 24 hours, but I thought that it is not enough, so I again gave another coat and I allowed it to get dry for 24 hours. So this is how it looks after the color is completely dry. And now it's time for some decoration. So I'm taking this golden color bangle. This is a simple bangle, so I'll just stick it on the lid. So for that I'm taking this Fevicol All Fix glue. You can take a Fevikwik also, I think that won't be an issue. And I'll just apply this Fevicol All Fix glue on the edges of the lid. So I'm doing it gently and I am applying this glue on the edges. So here on this part, as we have used metal lid, so there won't be any fear of burning when you keep the candle because we haven't used plastic. So now I'll keep this bangle on the edges and I'll just allow it to get dry for a few seconds. Even you can go ahead and stick 2-3 bangles, that would also look really good, but I thought that one is enough and I just kept it one. So this is how it looks after the bangle is stick on the holder. You can also go ahead and apply some pearls, sparkle and diamonds if you have for the decoration. And here is it. I loved the way how it turned out, and I kept it near my silver vase because I thought these are contrast combination and will look good together. You can go ahead and use it in your birthday parties, dinner, cocktail parties, anywhere it will look good. So here I'm signing off for today. Thank you for joining. I'll come back soon with another video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.